All right, guys, room for the day. Key card's gonna be in here. This one is a pretty simple. Little bam. Yeah, I swear I know how to open doors. There we go. And we've got an ocean view room. 1, 3, 4, 2. To the left, we've got the bathroom. Pretty spacious. The shower. To the right, got the closets. A life vest. Everything we need in here. Got a little hang-up spot. Some more closet space. More life vests. Come on in. I've got a little seating area in my room. It goes down. Got a little table. The twin beds pushed together to make a king-size bed. Yep. 2 twins into a king. And the ocean view room. Beautiful. This will be pretty to sit in and watch and look out. Port of Miami in the background. It's gorgeous. Love Miami. Alright. Got my TV over here. Got a little seating area. A little chair. Stool thing. Down here some more storage space. And the mini fridge, which is more like a cooler than anything. It doesn't stay very cold, but it definitely will keep your stuff cool. I usually put my desserts in there. We've got our laundry service bags, how much it costs to get the laundry done. And we've got the blow dryer that they provide. Our wonderful phone if you need to call other rooms. Bottle of water if you are a red card holder. I don't think you get this, but other than that, looks like I found a piece that I'm going to need to bring up to customer service I got left in the room here. And that's it. That's my room. Hope you guys enjoy.